Hello, I'm Maxine, and if you're new here and you're looking for drawing tutorials, then you're in the right place because I'm doing weekly uploads with my tips on how to draw. Click that subscribe button and let's get on with the video. The importance of a good reference photo and how to create tonal value in the photo that you want to draw. Shout out to Ian from my Facebook group on this one. Thank you. So tonal value, what is that? Well, if you think about it like a staircase, you've got the dark at the bottom in the basement and then you've got light at the top. But you've got a gradient of greys all in between. Now, if you missed out one of those steps, one of those greys, then it doesn't make a very good staircase. So it's the same for a picture. If you haven't got those greys in between, those steps in between, then it doesn't make a very good picture. Next, I'm going to show you my reference photo and how I could tell that it had good tonal value. And then you can try and work out from your photographs whether they've got tonal value too. Okay, let's go. I'm sharing my screen with you so you can see which reference photo I've chosen, and I'm going to turn it into black and white. This will help you to see the tonal value without having to guess from the coloured photo that you've already got. When I was talking about the staircase earlier, this is what I meant. So I'm taking the black from the darkest areas and then all the greys in between that and the white, so I can check for a really good range of tonal values. If your photo doesn't have a good range of values, then you can go into the settings and fiddle about with the contrast and the brightness, and sometimes that can make quite a big difference. If someone's given you a photo to draw and that has zero tonal value after you've turned it into black and grey and you've fiddled about with the settings a little, then either ask them for another one or try using toned paper instead so you can get those whites really white. I hope you can now see in this video that this photograph has a full range of tones and would make a really good photograph to draw from. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and it's going to be useful to you. If there's any other video you'd like me to do, any other tips, then please leave me a comment below and I will do my best to make a video for it. Thank you. Bye.